Hydronic designs rarely fail on day one. They fail late, when changes have already become expensive. And often, the real cause isn't engineering, it's the workflow. Manual inputs, copy-paste errors, and endless revalidation every time the design evolves. And that's exactly what the Hysopt Designer was built to replace. The Hysopt Designer is a better alternative to Excel for hydronic HVAC design. Instead of scattered calculations, you build a physics-based hydronic digital twin. The same core model used across all Hysopt workflows. So calculations stay consistent by design. Start from template-driven P&ID modeling and propagate flows and temperatures automatically through the system. Pipe sizing becomes part of the model, not a separate spreadsheet. And system-level sanity checks catch mistakes early, including pump placement, before it becomes a site problem. Now here's the real difference. What happens when project specs change mid-design? In Excel, you rebuild, you cross-check, and you hope nothing was missed. In the Hysopt Designer, you update the model once and the entire system recalculates automatically. No rebuilding, no manual cross-checking, no hidden inconsistencies. So you can prove the system will work, without unnecessary over-dimensioning or cost inflation. So what does that mean for you? Less rework when specs change, fewer spreadsheet mistakes, and more confidence that your sizing is right. Still designing in Excel? Upgrade to the Hysopt Designer today. Works in Hysopt, works on site.